Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the crash test results for the 2024 Hyundai Tucson, a small SUV that has earned the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Let's explore what makes this vehicle stand out in terms of safety. To earn the 2024 Top Safety Pick Plus award, vehicles need to achieve good ratings in several crash tests, including the small overlap front, updated side tests, and at least a good or acceptable rating in the updated moderate overlap front test. During the test, the Tucson's structure held up well, and measurements taken from the driver dummy showed no heightened risk of injury. However, measurements from the second row dummy indicated a slightly elevated risk of head or neck injuries. Despite this, the issues were not severe enough to affect the overall rating. In conclusion, the 2024 Hyundai Tucson has demonstrated impressive safety features and crash test performance, making it a top choice for safety-conscious buyers. What do you think about the new Tucson? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive reviews and updates.